Several parents have been asking about how to find the videos that are on Discovery Learning that have been posted on the second page of the lesson plans that are being sent out. So I wanted to make a short little video to show you where they are and how to access them. So first thing is, if you're looking at the lesson plan that the teachers have been sending out on ClassTag, then on the second page, you have Discovery Education videos, virtual field trips. Primarily, we're looking at the ones that say Discovery Education right here. Some of these do not say that. They are still science or social studies videos, but they're found in YouTube. So you just have to click on the link or go to YouTube and put in the address to find those. But the ones that we are tracking are the ones that say Discovery Education, and we can see if your children have watched those or not. If you click on the link and it doesn't allow you to open it that way, see, this one went to it. But if for some reason it doesn't, I want to show you how to get there going through ClassLink. So I'm going to close this. And I'm going to type in the ClassLink website, which is where your kids go to do their math and their reading. It's all in the same program. So I'm going to do Launchpad, and there it is right there, launchpad.classlink.com/WOCCISD. And then, of course, you'll put in your child's username and password. And when their ClassLink pops up, they'll have all their apps, and they have their Imagine Math and their Imagine Literacy. But the one we're looking at for the videos is Discovery Education. Hang on, let me scroll down just a little bit. Okay, Discovery Education, and it has OAUTH in parentheses. So if you click on that one, then the student version comes up. This is the teacher version, so it looks a little bit different, but for the most part it's the same. They'll have their videos listed right here, but even if you don't see them in the middle section, they'll have a little assignment button up here by home, and you can click on that and find their videos, and then they can just watch the videos that are listed for the week. If there's any older videos on there that they've missed, they can watch those as well. And then we can track and see, if I just go to my classroom, I can track and see who's watched the videos for my class, for both of my classes. And any of the math, science, social studies teachers can do that. That's how we'll get science and social studies grades, is by checking to see who's been watching their videos. Now, back to the lesson plans for just a minute. A couple of parents have been saying that they can't click on these because they're using their phone, or even on their computers for some reason they can't click the link. If you cannot click the link, just simply highlight it and then go to your internet browser and copy and paste it, and then it'll open. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact your child's teacher and ask them for assistance. The number one thing that parents have been asking about is if their child is trying to access ClassLink on a phone. It works the same way. You just go to your internet browser that you use on your smartphone, and which in most cases is Google, but if it's not, any of the internet browsers work. And just type in that same website, and I'll go back to it to show you. The launchpad.classlink.com/ and then this part you're just going to have your WOISD part right there, WOISD, and then that will pull you up to the login page, and then you can log in just like you're on a computer, and it will pull up your child's ClassLink once you put in their login information, and it'll look just like the computer. It's just going to be a smaller version, and they can click on whichever apps they need to click on. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you.